Yes, guys. Happy Halloween. See, you gotta use what you got to get what you gotta get. And that's the look, the expression. Let's get it. I use some simple decorations, but my daughter is a beast when it comes to these things, and so are we. This is what we do. And she's going to use this prop as well. She asked me to let her have a spider. Let's see what she's going to do with that.
Well, I'm a witch.
Oh, okay. So she's a witch. And as you guys see, she has pretty pink hair, and she has look at the eyeballs, guys. Look at this. Look at this. How she worked it. Look at the spiders, guys. Look at her. And now she's going to do something with the spider right there. So, guys, you could literally, you could put her on the back, like right here, have it on your back. I could have, you want to put it up there? Okay.
But how would I do that?
I'm trying to think. I can put something to put it on there. I'll get something to put it on there. Because I could just, hold on. I could take your hood.